Welcome to the top best. The best baby wetsuit is probably one of the most important gears for your little one's water adventures. Whether you're planning a fun day at the beach or introducing your baby to the swimming pool, a good wetsuit ensures they stay warm, comfortable, and safe. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of baby wetsuits, exploring the key features, benefits, and what to look for when choosing the perfect one for your child. Number 5. Warmsy Reversible Baby Wetsuit. This is the Warmsy wetsuit, designed for your baby's comfort and warmth. It's perfect for swimming lessons or a fun day at the beach. The wetsuit features a unique reversible design. One side has a neutral color, and the other has a playful tropical design. This wetsuit is designed with love, using exclusive in-house prints. It's stylish and unique, making your baby stand out. It's ideal for water fun at home, swimming lessons, or a sunny day at the beach. This wetsuit is made for all kinds of water activities. Featuring a hidden zipper and flexible upper with a wide opening, this wetsuit is easy to put on and take off. It provides maximum comfort for your baby. Crafted with premium insulating materials, it retains heat to keep your baby warm. The stretchy material ensures a comfortable fit for your little one. What we like? This wetsuit features a reversible design, offering two stylish looks in one. The unique in-house prints ensure your little one stands out. If you are looking for a versatile and fashionable option for water fun, this is the perfect choice for your baby. What people say. Keeps baby warm and toasty. Unlike other wetsuits, it fits loose and is a thinner wetsuit material but still does the job very well. Easy to put on and take off, wet, of a very squirmy toddler. Number 4. Warmiebabes 2mm Thermal Swimsuit. Introducing the Warmiebabes Thermal Swimsuit, designed to keep your little ones comfortable in the water. This wetsuit is perfect for babies and toddlers, ensuring they can enjoy swimming for longer. Made with 2mm neoprene, it provides excellent insulation, keeping them warm even in cooler water. The material is flexible, allowing for freedom of movement. This swimsuit offers UPF 50+ sun protection, shielding them from harmful UV rays. It's designed to keep them safe while they have fun in the sun. Featuring snug arm and leg bands, it helps to prevent water from entering the suit. This design ensures maximum warmth and comfort for your child. Available in sizes for infants and kids aged 6 months to 4 years. It's the perfect choice for your child's swimming adventures, providing both warmth and protection. What we like? This swimsuit is made with 2mm neoprene and provides UPF 50+ sun protection. The snug arm and leg bands ensure a comfortable fit. If you are looking for a wetsuit that offers both warmth and sun protection, this is a great option for your baby. What people say. The thick material helped to make sure he stayed cool. This helped her stay warm. Also super cute. Does a great job at keeping the kids warm. Number 3. Splash About Warm in One Baby Wetsuit. This unique fleece-lined wetsuit is designed to keep your baby warmer for longer. It's perfect for swimming sessions, both in and out of the water, ensuring your little one stays comfortable. The wetsuit features full-length sleeves and legs, providing complete body warmth. This design helps to keep them cozy and protected from the cold. Is your baby sensitive to the cold? This wetsuit extends pool time for little ones. It also helps prevent those post-swim changing room chills. The Warm-in-One wetsuit also helps keep barrier creams in place while your baby is in the water. This provides added protection and peace of mind. With the Warm-in-One wetsuit, your baby can enjoy swimming for longer and stay comfortable. It's the perfect solution for keeping them warm and happy in the water. What we like? This unique fleece-lined wetsuit is designed to keep babies warmer for longer. It provides full body warmth with full-length sleeves and legs. If you have a baby who gets cold easily or you want to extend your pool time, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This suite is perfect for a day of swimming. This suit with its Velcro closure on the back and helps keep her warm so she can enjoy the water with the family. Now she is warm as can be, and happy as a clam. Fits great, exceptional value. Highly recommend. Number 2. Swimbubs Fleece-Lined Wetsuit, UV UPF 50 Sun Protection. Keep your little ones safe and warm with this amazing wetsuit from Swimbubs. It's designed for both boys and girls, providing the ultimate protection in the water. This suit features a cozy fleece lining, ensuring your baby stays comfortable even in cooler waters. The soft material feels great against their skin, allowing them to enjoy their swim. Protect your baby from harmful UV rays with the built-in UPF 50 sun protection. This suit helps shield them from the sun, so they can have fun without worry. The Swimbubs wetsuit is perfect for both boys and girls. The design is both practical and stylish, making it a great choice for any baby. With this suit, your baby can enjoy swimming in comfort and safety. It's the perfect way to introduce them to the water while keeping them protected. What we like. This wetsuit is fleece-lined and offers UV UPF 50 sun protection. The stylish design ensures your baby looks great. If you like a warm and protective wetsuit with a fashionable design, you should consider this one. What people say. This kept my baby nice and warm while swimming and it stayed dry in the inside. I really like the zip in front. Very good quality. The suit fits snugly without being too tight, and the neoprene material really helps retain body heat. Our baby was able to stay in the pool much longer without getting cold or upset. She actually enjoyed the water. It also gave us peace of mind knowing she was comfortable and protected. The quality is great, soft on the inside, stretchy enough for easy changing, and it dried quickly between swims. It also provided a bit of extra buoyancy and sun coverage, which was a nice bonus. Number 1. Swimbubs Toddler Wetsuit, Boys and Girls UV Swimsuit. Are you looking for a way to keep your little ones safe and warm in the water? This amazing wetsuit is designed for both boys and girls. It provides UV protection and ensures they can enjoy swimming comfortably. This wetsuit is made with soft, flexible materials. It allows for a full range of motion, so your child can move freely. The design ensures maximum comfort during swim time. Protect your child from the sun's harmful rays. This suit offers excellent UV protection, keeping them safe while they play. You can have peace of mind knowing they are protected. The wetsuit helps to keep your child warm in the water. It's perfect for swimming in pools or at the beach. They will be able to enjoy the water for longer periods. This wetsuit is easy to put on and take off. It's designed for convenience, so you can quickly get your child ready for their swim. It's a must-have for any water adventure. What we like. This wrap-style wetsuit offers UV protection and is easy to put on. It's designed for comfort and convenience. If you are looking for a hassle-free and protective option for your toddler, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The wetsuit fit perfectly. The design is great. The wetsuit kept my baby warm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.